Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to add a user in Salesforce. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by edit a user in Salesforce. In Salesforce, editing a user refers to the process of modifying the details and settings associated with a user account. This can include updating personal information, changing roles and profiles, adjusting permissions, and resetting passwords and modifying other user specific settings. Now we will learn how to edit user in Salesforce Lightning. So let's proceed and follow the steps. So our first step is to log in into the Salesforce account with your credential. So click on the login button. Once you successfully log in into the Salesforce account, now you check whether you are in the Lightning one or the Classic one. Here we are logging with the Lightning one, so we do not need to shift to the Lightning. If we are on the Classic one, then we need to shift to the Lightning one. Now click on the gear icon and click on the setup option for redirecting on the setup home page. Now enter the user in the quick find box that is present at the left side. So enter the user, and here you can see under the users section a user is present. Click on this users and it will redirect us to all the user page. Now it's time to choose up the user to whom you want to add it and make changes in it. So scroll down and here I click on the John David, and there is a edit button present. Click on this edit button, and you have to remember one thing, that we have created a user in Salesforce Lightning. We only see the mandatory fields, so maybe you want to add up some other things for the user. So suppose here I want to add for the John David, so I click on the edit button and it redirect us to the next page where it open up the user's details of the John David. Now it show me the details that are already filled, and there are also the field to whom I can fill up. Now scroll down and here I am filling up the mailing address. Now enter the mailing, now filling up the mailing address. So let's add it. So here I successfully added. So here I successfully added the mailing address. So here I successfully added the details to the user account. After editing all such things, click on the save button, scroll down and clicking on the save button to successfully save it. Click on the save button and the pop-up dialog box is open. Here the save address, address details, and click on the save button. Now it updates the record successfully and take you again to the all user page, and your user is added successfully now. So with this we have learned how to edit user in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.